David Sherwood here from NiTOR. We're going to talk about digestion and why most brands of protein cause bloating and gas, and why NiTOR circumvents that problem and makes digestion much more efficient, saving you money and making your protein more bioavailable and useful to you. So to start off with, the protein chains that we have are very long, composed of many different types of amino acids, and in the stomach they don't get broken down all the way. They'll actually end up in the small intestine where the pancreas excretes carboxypeptidase to chew the amino acids off one at a time from the C-terminal end, not from this end, so it doesn't come both directions, it only comes from one direction. And that just takes time. And so undigested protein chains will end up further down the digestive tract where bacteria start to ferment them or break them down, eat them for themselves, and they have byproducts that produce gas, such as nitrogen gas, hydrogen sulfide, which smells really bad, methane and such. And so the solution is your stomach has an enzyme that they add called trypsin, and trypsin will cleave specifically at like an arginine residue or a lysine residue to make this chain that was originally long shorter, so that then you can start chewing from two directions. From one direction at both beginning of both chains. We take it even further by adding in additional digestive enzymes that break it down at further chains, like bromelain will cut also at alanine or tyrosine or glycine. So it makes this long chain into really short chains, so that when it gets into the small intestine, the pancreas's carboxypeptidase can work on multiple small chains to chew them up faster, so that digestion is much quicker, gets in your bloodstream much faster. It activates TOR pathway much stronger, and it prevents all the bloating and gas problems that are typical of most proteins.